G'day, how's it going? Welcome to Elsie's Nature Tutition. Today I'm going to be talking about dingoes. Dingoes weren't always called dingoes, they used to be called dogs. Then they were named after Lady Margaret Dingo, who flew over from Belgium in the 1500s in a hot air balloon, and when she landed there was a pack of wild dogs there to welcome her up at Pindar Country Club. She was towing a whole flotilla of other empty hot air balloons because they used to use them out here to muster. Hundreds of years ago they didn't have horses because the bloke that was running the ferry over to Australia was allergy to horses, and so they had the sheep, but they had to muster with hot air balloons, so they did that for ions and ions till another bloke ran another ferry over. So yeah, Lady Margaret Dingo named them. She didn't actually name them, they were just named after her. And the dingoes weren't always here either. Like in the ancient history, like hundreds of years ago, they came over from East Timor. All the oceans froze over, and so they ran across before they could melt, but one day it did melt and a lot of dingoes were lost that day, and ever since that day Lady Margaret Dingo vowed to help them breed somehow, and so people say now, like if you go out into the scrub on a full moon at midnight, you can actually still hear the howl in the distance of Lady Dingo, and that's true. I can testify to that. Heard it myself. But dingoes are a magnificent creature. The way they chase down and mutilate a sheep and tear it apart just brings a tear to a cockie's look ball. But they got to get gone. They got fleas. The fleas jump over onto the work dogs, and for that reason alone, they got to get gone. And getting them gone, we're gonna get them gone. They get gone. We bait them, we trap them, we shoot them, and we work on that. So it's an unfortunate situation, but that's just the way it is, and that's all you need to know about dingoes, really. So thanks for watching my nature tuition, and keep naturing.